Okay, hello, this is Stephen from wplegends.com. In this video I'm going to teach you how to install WordPress, how to set up your hosting and your domain name. So if you don't know what hosting is, it's basically a service that keeps your website running 24/7 so that if your computer's ever off, people can still access your website. Your domain name is basically just a unique name for your website. Like for example, Google's domain name is www.google.com. Your domain name will be www.whatever.com. So it'll cost you very little to get your first website up and running. The website itself will be made through Wordpress, which is completely free. So your hosting is going to cost you about $8 a month, but in this video I'm going to show you a way of how to get that first month for just a penny. Your domain name is going to cost you about $12 a year, and you're going to pay upfront for the full year. So in total, at the end of this video, your first website is going to cost you about $12, which when you consider that a fully built professional website can sell for anything up to about $500 to $1,000, that's pretty amazing value. So instead of just talking about it, let's go ahead and get started. And then I'm going to... So go ahead and open up your web browser. And up the address bar, type in hostgator.com. Hit enter. Then you'll be taken to this page here. And go ahead and click on the View Web Hosting Plans button in the middle. And you'll be taken to this page where you get to choose your hosting package. As you can see, there's 3 packages to choose from: the hatchling plan, the baby plan, and the business plan. And we could ignore the business plan for now. It comes with a lot of advanced features that we don't really need if you're just starting out, which I assume you are if you're watching this video. The hatchling plan and the baby plan are fairly similar. The only real difference is the number of domains you get. With the hatchling plan you get a single domain. With the baby plan you have unlimited domains. If you're just going to have the one website, the hatchling plans is what you want. If you're going to have more than one, then you go with the baby plan. Also, you'll see these drop down boxes where you can choose your billing cycle, whether it's bi-monthly, yearly, or whatever. For now we're just going to go with the hatchling plan. So click order now. That's going to take us to this screen here. Alright, so this is where you're going to fill out your order form. The first thing to do is enter your domain. So either you're going to have to register a new domain or use one you already own. For this tutorial we're going to make a new one. Just going to type in helpful hermit. As you can see, that is available. Just below that you can see where it gives you the option to register other extensions on your domain like .net or .org at an additional price. For now we're just going to keep the .com, that's all we need. So just below that it's going to ask you to confirm your hosting package. It says we've picked hatchling and the billing cycle is at 36 months. We're going to change that to just 1 month. Yeah. Below that you've got to choose your username and your security pin. Let's go leave that blank for now. And below that you can see where it asks you to enter your billing information. I'm also going to leave that blank for now. Just below that you're given a list of optional hosting add-ons. Most of these won't be necessary for you right now and they're quite expensive, so we're going to untick all these. Go ahead and read through them. If you think there's any you might like, go ahead and tick them again. Just below that you're going to see where it asks you to enter a coupon code. Earlier in the video I mentioned a way of getting your first month of hosting for just 1 penny, and this is how you're going to do it by typing in WP Legends 1 and then clicking validate. So underneath that you can see your order summary, and where it says hatchling 1 month you can see that's been changed to just a penny. So in total with the domain and our 1 month of hosting you're going to be paying just $12 to get your first website up and running. So once you're happy with everything, click the terms and agreements button. Alright, so I'm going to pause the video here while I fill in the rest of my details and resume when that's finished. Okay, so once you click create, you'll be redirected back to the Hostgator homepage. For now you can go ahead and close Hostgator, and you're going to want to go and open up your emails and find the email that Hostgator should have just sent to you. We've got ours here. This should contain your new username and password, and also a link to the control panel login, which you're going to need to click on now. And I'll open up a new window here. And you want to go ahead and copy and paste your new password into the okay, there we go. Go ahead and hit enter, click login. Okay, so once you're logged in, the first thing you're going to want to do is change your password to something that's more memorable. Right, so go ahead and click on change password there in preferences. And that'll bring you to this screen here. Alright, so go ahead and paste your old password from your email in here. And then create the new password that you want. And then when you're finished, click change your password now. And then you go to this page here, as you can see you've been logged out, and you have to log back in with your new password. So I'm going to close this screen and go back to my emails to get the link. You're probably going to want to bookmark this link so you can find it easily in the future. So I'm going to go ahead and click that. And log back into my cPanel. Alright, so now that we changed the password, we're going to actually install WordPress. So scroll down and find Quick Install under Software/Services. Go ahead and click that. That'll bring you to this screen here. On the left hand side where it says Blog Software, click WordPress. And then from here, click on Continue. So now it's going to ask you where you want to install WordPress. You probably just want to keep this the same. I'm just going to leave this as helpfulhermits.com, so that's fine. Just below that, leave auto upgrades enabled. So for the admin email, just go ahead and enter your own email address there. This is just where WordPress is going to send all your notifications and things like that. And just below that, your blog title. Go ahead and type in whatever the title of your blog is. It can just be anything. You can change this later if you want to. Your admin user, enter the username you'd like to use. We're just going to type in admin here. And then your first name and your last name. Alright, so once you've entered your details, go ahead and click install now. This will just take a wee minute. Okay, and once it's done, you'll see this little congratulations message here with your username and your password, which you're going to use to log into your WordPress. Right, you'll also have this link here which will take you to your admin area of your WordPress, so go ahead and click that now. So now go ahead and copy and paste your username and your password. There you go. Okay, and then click login. So once you log in, you'll be brought to the WordPress dashboard here. From here, this is where you're going to be adding pages and new posts and managing the appearance and customization of your site. You can actually see what your site looks like right now if you click in the top left corner where it says the name of your site. Click Visit Site. And then you'll be brought to the standard sample page that comes with all WordPress installations. It's just one post that says Hello World and a basic sort of theme and appearance. And then if you want to get back to the dashboard anytime, just go back to the top left corner and click on Dashboard. So there you have it, WordPress is installed on your computer and ready to use. Your site is now live, and you can go ahead and start adding pages and posts straight away and customizing the appearance of your site. In later videos, I'm going to go over in depth and detail how to actually do things like that. There's plenty of tutorials online and free resources if you ever get stuck. Okay, so thank you for watching this video, hope it helped. Please feel free to leave any comments with any feedback or questions, I'm happy to help. Okay, so over and out.